Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get free bitcoins using sites and apps. I'm gonna show you some of the best methods to earn free bitcoins quickly. If you like this video and subscribe, I will make other videos about how to get bitcoins for free. All you need is an internet connection and a smartphone or a PC. So, Bitcoin is a digital cryptocurrency that permits individuals to safely transfer money without the requirements for banks. It's like online cash. Bitcoin's value is constantly increasing since 2009. So now the first app to use is CryptoTab browser. It's a Bitcoin miner. Here you earn money without active involvement and generates long-term income. This is what we call passive income. You just have to install the browser and let it use your PC or smartphone's processor. This browser is just like Google Chrome. You can use it instead of Chrome. You don't have to do anything, just let it run in the background and it will make bitcoins for you. To use it, just download the light version on Google Play. It's free version, and also you can download the PC version. You can install it on a laptop, or you can do both. The second website is Coinbase. Coinbase is a popular and secure online platform for selling, buying, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. You can use Coinbase as a wallet to collect earnings. Just click Get Started and create your account. Here you fill in your first name, last name, your real email address, and a password. That's it. With Coinbase, earn crypto while learning about crypto. So all you need is just watch video tutorials and get money. Here are examples of video tutorials. So basically, you just watch videos, complete a quiz, and earn money. Third one is blockchain poker. It is a fun, easy way to earn Bitcoin. Instantly jump into a no-limit cash game playing for real Bitcoins. There are no signups, which means players can remain anonymous. New players are automatically awarded free satoshis to play with, allowing anyone to jump in and play even if they don't have any. Each chip is worth 1 satoshi. So here we have 100 free satoshis. To get started, just click on Let's Go. There, you just have to play. Up next, futurepoints.com. Use future points to earn points by downloading apps on your phone. You can redeem points for Bitcoin. You receive rewards points when using an app. So here, for example, as you can see, they have paid users more than $5 million. And there are other ways to make money, like completing surveys, earn cashback, and the best one and the easiest one is to just download and install apps. In this video, I showed methods on how to earn free bitcoins instantly and daily. Subscribe and like the video. I'll make other videos on how different ways to earn money and Bitcoin.